Islam and Christianity both believe in one supreme God, but how each faith understands God is where the paths begin to differ. In Christianity, God is understood as one being in three persons, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. This is known as the Trinity. In Islam, God or Allah is absolutely one. No partners, no persons, no divisions. This is called Tawhid. So Christians see God's unity inside the Trinity, while Muslims see God's unity without any form of multiplicity. And even though the theology differs, both faiths share the same mission: to love God, to worship God, and to live morally. This wasn't about debate, just clarity, respect, and learning. If you want more comparisons explained simply, follow for the next episode.